It's bedtime. I don't normally do blog after 8. But somebody sent me a live that was happening. And I decided that I would go on it and see what's happening. Because I haven't done live in almost 6 weeks. I know me think me love social media, but no. So me not get no pay from TikTok, me not do nothing, me not do no live. So, Jamaica people, we are very creative. And when Naya did, one whole different scenario came out as to what happened. When Bosshead did the same thing, then police unalive persons, we hear say a Naya killer, Bosshead, and now this young man, what name? Tikiana young man, Khalif. We are hearing all different kinds of scenario. We hear one say, he must sell bullets underground, and it's the gangs from the underground unalive him because them not get them bullet money. There's one thing about me, anything at all me I do, professionalism have to come to the fore. I am a police, I am a probation officer X. I do thorough investigation. You will never see me a group up with anybody. So persons who you are doing your life, you don't get me involved. I walk alone. I don't have friends. You will never see me and anybody a body up. I stand alone. So now a new plot twist ticking to say Tikiana, man who is a deportee, live a foreign for 11 years, come back and want Tikiana, and Tikiana refused to leave the little boy. So there was a night, there was a setup Saturday night, and the little boy was at the setup, and the man tell Tikiana for call Khalif, and so that they can analyze him. Because if them not analyze Khalif, they might go analyze Tikiana, or they might go analyze both. So Tikiana called Khalif from the night, tell him to come home. And while she was there, she hear gunshot, and she know say a Khalif them unalive, and she wait till in the morning she go. And she was talking on the phone with somebody to say, why you give him 8 shot plus lick him in him head with stone? Them a story I know too much, and I just hope it not keep me up tonight. With a whole heap of different something. But my question is, they have the live for how long. I was calling Tikiana on the live to ask her questions, and according to them, Tikiana was on fake page and refused to answer the phone. I don't even know what he say, because the investigation is too disjointed, and they are saying that the one way unalive since week, him never know nothing about him, and him a best friend, and the police them, and that is what social media is. Social media come with this whole heap of overnight investigator, overnight police. You don't even know what to believe. And I don't want to, because I'm angry at Tikiana because she celebrated her death, to cloud my judgment. I am not like that. I am very professional in what I do. But people lie. People go to them way if you tell some breed a lie for you. Somebody sent me a message a while ago on TikTok say, me delete Kim King page. I never know say me could have stay on my page and delete people page. And me say, I did what? And she said, me delete Kim something another page. I say, I saw that young man for the first time yesterday, and as me see him, me say what me I say I'm block him same time, because there are certain people that I don't argue with. And she say, yes, me delete half in something there. I never know say you could have delete people contents off of them page. So that is what me I say. People talk all kind of things and you don't even know what is the truth. But you know what, Tikiana? Keep yourself low. Keep a low profile. Not trust nobody. Protect your children and protect yourself. Because when people tell lie, after a while, it sound like the truth. So protect yourself. Because I don't know. I don't know anymore. Me no know no, me no know no come from, me no know no. So me no know. Protect yourself.